Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS General Book 15 Test 2, the Writing Task 1, the Formal Letter. A museum near you, your home, is looking for people to do part-time voluntary unpaid work. You would like to do some voluntary unpaid work at the museum. Write a letter to the museum director to apply for the voluntary or unpaid work. In your letter, explain why you want to do unpaid work at the museum. Describe some skills and qualities you have that would be useful, and give details of when you would be available for work. Begin your letter as follows. Dear Sir or Madam. This 150-word letter can be written in 20 minutes as follows. Begin your letter with Dear Sir or Madam. In para 1, mention the purpose of writing this letter. In para 2, say why you want to do unpaid work at the museum. In para 3, describe skills and qualities that would be useful. In para 4, give details of when you would be available. In para 5, summarize the letter. And then end with yours faithfully, Fred Bernanke. The following slide shows an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Sir or Madam, I am writing to express my enthusiasm for the opportunity to contribute to the museum as a part-time volunteer. As a local resident, I have long admired the museum's dedication to preserving and showcasing our cultural heritage. Volunteering here is a chance for me to give back to the community and engage with the rich history it embodies. I bring with me a strong passion for art and history, coupled with excellent communication and interpersonal skills developed through my previous experiences in customer services roles. Additionally, my attention to detail and organizational abilities make me well suited for tasks such as assisting with exhibitions, guiding visitors, and conducting research. I am available to volunteer on weekends, particularly in the afternoons, and flexible with my schedule on weekends. I am eager to contribute my time and skills to support the museum's mission. Thank you for considering my application. Do inform when I can start working. Yours faithfully, Fred Bernanke.